I have created this GIF on my iPhone without using any other app. It's inbuilt feature in your iPhone that most people do not know about it. I'm going to show you how you can create custom GIF in less than 2 minutes. So let's start. First, you need to set up that process. So for that, click on search and go to shortcuts. Once we are in shortcut, you need to press gallery, which is at bottom right corner of the screen. Then we have, if we scroll down in essentials, we have many options like meme maker, animate text on GIF, and like that we need to click on animate text on GIF. I have clicked on it and it will give you basic info about this shortcut. Then you can read it and click on add shortcut present at the bottom. Once you add it, let's go back to shortcuts, and then you can see this animate text on GIF is here on the first list. So now what we need to do, it's here. Now every time when you want to create any GIF, we just need to go to shortcuts and it will be there. Let's click on it. So now let's click on animate text on GIF. Once we click on it, it asks allow animate text on GIF to search for GIFs on GIF. So we need to allow that. So it can search all the GIF from the internet. So as you can see, we have all the popular GIF. Now if you want, you can click on any of it. Let's say I click on this. So then it will ask what text you want to put on that GIF. So since it's there is a puppet who is excited, we can write excited. Click on done. Then you can select the position of your text. Let's select center. Once I click on the center, now you have to select which animation type: spin, slide, grow, shrink. You can select any of it, and over time you can create your favorite one. As of now, I'm selecting grow. That's all. It creates a GIF with your custom text. You have ability to create GIF from vast library from the GIF, and then you can apply custom text. Now here at the bottom left corner, you have share button. You can share it with your friends or you can save it in your iPhone for future use.